All right, outdoorsmen, today is day 2 and hopefully the big equipment will be here shortly. Also need to get down and get my tractor out from the mud that I had gotten it stuck in. So heading down there to get that taken care of, and hopefully the big equipment will be here soon. Let's get outdoors. Big old spider web up here. That's awesome. Destroyed. She's a little hard to see. Extreme expert. I definitely would not have had the guts to go out that far. All right, well, I'm going to back in there and get that opened up so we can see when water starts coming out. Have it open. You can walk down here to see, but as you can see, there you can now. Still no water coming out of the bottom. for the first time in about 2 years, I actually have water moving through this pipe. That's a great sign. Gonna go check on the bottom side. All right, let's walk down here and see what we have. Oh yeah. We definitely have water flowing. Step down here through the trees. As you saw, that was like a 3-foot pit this length with nothing, and already it is running full. So I am very interested to see how, when full board's exposed, how much time it takes to empty these 20 acre pond, that's what I meant to say, that I have. All right, just so everybody can see, there I put the board in, well, a stick, and already we've lost a little, but it's gonna be interesting to see what this is like when she's empty. I'll have until Thursday, which gives me 2 full days, so stay tuned. Here you can see what David did, and it's running just about full now. Gonna need to go get my waders to get the rest of those sticks out, but it's still gonna take a hot second or two to get all this water off. There is a lot still on here. Here's another little drainage ditch that I hope to have flowing here before too long. And the nice thing is, although it looks like it kind of peters out, over here, there's definitely additional drainage, and it goes down that way and connects into another little channel. Well, there my contractor David cut another patch through there, and we are definitely getting water off of this place now, so just a matter of time. All right, everyone, wrapping up today's episode. It was great to get water flowing in my impoundment again. Hopefully I'm not getting any beavers there anytime soon. I'm hoping that by Thursday, well, in 2 days, I'm hoping that the water is pretty well gone. We'll see how it goes so that we can get the contractor there to get that water fully removed, and then get in there and get that work done for the berms and to get my water control structures fully reset. So hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. Until next time, get outdoors.